Hey everyone, I had a request on whether I would film a video that talks a little bit more about me or if I would do a Q&A video, and I said, of course, if there is anything that you guys want to know about me, anything that's not too personal, of course I wouldn't answer anything too personal. I hope that you will be understanding of that. But anything else is pretty much fair game, and hopefully that will allow you to get to know me better. I love watching videos like this and just helps me get to know somebody on more of a personal level. So that's kind of why I've incorporated my vlog videos, just so you can kind of get to know me outside of the reviews and the favorites and that type of thing, because I can chat a little bit more. So yeah, if there is anything that you have been wanting to know that is not too personal, then leave your questions down in the information box and I will try to get to all of them. It just kind of depends on what the feedback is. Maybe there will only be like 2 questions, who knows? If there's not that many questions, then I may just film a video that just talks a little bit about me and then answer those questions. Or if there's enough questions, then I will answer those and I will have that uploaded probably in about the next week or so. So just give me a chance to kind of go through all the questions. Anyway, that is all I wanted to talk about today, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for the request to my sweet subscriber, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.